So DeepSeek is now in Cursor. Big shouts to Mishi here, who dropped this in the Discord. Essentially, you can now use DeepSeek in Cursor. My first question is this going to be a premium call or is it going to be a low tier free call? And the biggest part about it, with the red underline from our boy, we self-host these models in the US. So that's quite interesting, yeah. Agent sees recent changes, better code base, fusion model. How do we update this, dude? You go to about, file. How about close and reopen? I do free AI on my streams here. So in about 7 minutes, we'll talk about that. I'm installing the update now. You can see, oh, now you can't. Okay, big shouts to Mishi for that, bro. Thank you. How do we update this? It's simple. Well, it should be at least. Let's close some of these tabs. Okay, we can go ahead here and say cursor settings here. Cursor settings. It's true. We're going to models. Yes. DeepSeek V3, it's there. DeepSeek R1 is there. Okay, sick, dude. So let's go back here to let's go to our scripts. How about that? And actually, no, let's go here. Let's go. Let's keep working on this thing. This is our chat. This is our chat, dude. This is so far. This is our chat. I forgot about this for a second. Yeah, we got a lot to build here. We got a lot to, for a half a second. For a half a second, I forgot that we were building some cool stuff. But DeepSeek is now inside of Cursor, which is the fire part of this. Now, these AI agents here I'm working on. Essentially, I'm building a bunch of AI agents for trading. Here and there, veering off and building AI agents for other things. But yeah, 777 to you, dude. 777 to you, bro. Much love, much love. Looks like this isn't working though. Found one initial. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and use DeepSeek now in Composer if it's possible. DeepSeek V3, dude. DeepSeek V3. Okay, I want to answer that question of is it going to be a mini or a regular? You can see I have some bugs I need to fix, so that's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go to the, okay, you can see I'm at 1154 and 511 here. So we'll see what it uses. But let's go see if I can find the live. So it'd be this live here that uses. Okay, that's the live. But okay, what's up? I'm Murray. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, perfect. So it can see everything. It can see the chat. Mm-hmm. Perfect, perfect, perfect. For I know the plans I have for you. Trust divine timing. I do want to update that though. Yo, thanks for throwing the 777, dude. This is fire. This is fire. Okay, sweet. Hey, what up, bro? F in the chat. Dub in the chat, dude. So now we're gonna see how DeepSeek works with actually building. So you can see I built this chat agent today, And all of my agents are free on GitHub. You can get the GitHub here at moondev.com. It's a roadmap, Discord, and GitHub. I believe code's a great equalizer. That's why I share everything. And you can see the roadmap shows you how to automate your trading. If you're interested in that, join the Discord to frequently ask questions. But if you want the GitHub for this, that you see the chat on the left side, it's pretty dope, dude. It's pretty dope. That is here in the GitHub. And all you have to do is go to the GitHub, click the star, and if you hit fork, you literally copy all my code. You got it all. And it's here. The YouTube chat agent here, source agents. Freaking fire, bro. Everything's in here, dude. Chart analysis agent, the chat agent, the CoinGecko agent, the copyright agent, the focus agent, the funding agent, the funding ARB agent, listing ARB agent, the RBI agent. All these agents are in here. All free, bro. Much love to you. And yeah, dude. I'm just gonna go ahead and work on this using DeepSeek and see how it goes. So let's go ahead and update this. I have a couple updates I want to make. Are you using agents for fundamentals or technicals? Hey, bro. I'll let Moondev answer that one. This is fire, dude. This is so fire. What I want to do here, I want to implement a system that essentially tracks every username, and for each of their chats, they get 1 point if it is a meaningful chat. Meaningful will be rated
it's
from
what's
the
called
AI.
machine learning. So you find things that are predictive. You might guess, oh, such and such should be predictive, might be predictive, and you test it out in the computer, and maybe it isn't, maybe it isn't. You test it out on long-term historical data and price data and other things, and then you add to the system this if it works, and if it doesn't, you throw it out. So there aren't elaborate equations, at least not for.
I'm not trying to be strict here on meaningful or not. I'm just trying to avoid spam. Somebody trying to game the system, you know? So if it's just a bunch of the same chat or like one word things or whatever, they would not get that point. But each chat will get 1 point if it's meaningful, 0 points if it's not meaningful, and -1 point if it's a negative chat. This will all be determined by an AI agent. Save the data into the chat agent folder. You could probably use it the same chat history CSV. I'm going to delete the chat history CSV for now. So we can have a fresh start at it and you can make new columns if needed. Delete. All right, let's run it. Every 60 seconds, but make that changeable in the configuration. It will put a first place emoji next to the person with the most points, second place emoji with the second place, third place emoji with the third place, and name them on the chat. But it won't do this if it was the last message that was posted. So it won't have any duplicates in case that nobody posted and it's been 60 seconds or whatever. We don't need to like spam the chat with the same thing over and over again. Okay. Okay, let's say accept here. Yo, 777, fam. Much love, much love. Okay, so let's run this back, dude. Jim Simons is a math legend and founder of Renaissance Technologies. He's known for his quantitative trading. What are you testing? I'll let Moondev answer that. How did you make it so far? Have you ever tried to predict the market with a win rate slightly more than break even and trade it for a long run as Jim Simons? Yeah, that's a great strategy. Moondev has experimented with AI trading agents that aim for a win rate slightly above break even, just like Jim Simons. He says, "What? What? This is fire, bro." Okay, and let's see what's going on with the chat history here. Hmm. Seems like it's not adding anything to the chat history. Does it add this at the very end or something? The issue is that need to actually call the save chat history function when processing messages. Silly goose. Accept here. Okay, let's run it back. Make sure your chat history has score column. If not, you might need to recreate it. Did it run without me? Yo, 777, dude. What's up, bro? I'm getting this error now. Shout out from the Netherlands, dude. Thanks, bro. Yo. Free API key in 2 minutes, dude. And if you're not here for this actual live, don't worry about it, bro. We'll do it again tomorrow, maybe. So the free API key is just while I'm logged in, you could be logged in too, dude. So I'm gonna post the free API key in about a minute or two. Free open AI API key. Okay. They accept all here. Nice, dude. It's looking good. It's looking like
Make
it
a
gives it a good
choice,
score.
right? You just
Remove this line though.
decide
We don't need to
what it's going to
have
be,
that
who you're
printed.
going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide. And then from that point, the universe is going to get out your way. It's like it's water. It wants to move and go
Oh,
around
yeah.
stuff, you know.
Also, I got this error. The free OpenAI key is in the chat now. YouTube chat. It's in the YouTube chat. It's free. Have fun with it, dude. Build some cool stuff, please, please, please. Please, please go build something cool, dude. Please build, go build. Go build. Go build. Build, baby, build. Build, baby, build. Build, baby, build. All right, let's go. My pleasure, Susan. My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for keeping the vibe. Nice, 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 nice. Chat saves with score of 1. I don't want to save this one either. I don't want to save any of the. I don't. No, no, no. That's not what I want. I'm just gonna. How about we just remember that we can actually code? I forget sometimes. I forget. That's it. It's my bad. I'm literally sometimes just like just get so connected. What do we do with these keys? Run it up, bro. Build some stuff. Chat saved. I thought I didn't hit save. Run it up, bro. Run it up. Go build some cool stuff, dude. And if you don't know how to build, then definitely go learn the roadmap, free moondev.com. Okay, there we go. There we go, buddy. Now let's delete the leaderboard here. Let's delete it. And now let's run it back. And we're using DeepSeek V3 here. And this is the question I want to answer. So what's the question, dude? Let's go over here. 1154511. I'm using DeepSeek V3 in Composer. I guess it's free, dude. Oh man. So now, I mean, you saw nothing change, right? I didn't see anything change. What do we do with these keys? Okay, Moondev's chat leaderboard. I love that, bro. Don't need this. Moon Dev. Positive vibes detected. If it's negative vibes though, hey, clean it up, fam. Let's keep it positive. Family 777. To see magic. To to pass good vibes. To increase the vibes. Increase the vibes in here. I mean, that's not never gonna send. It's never gonna send because DYOR is at the leaderboard over here though. Okay, okay. This is fire, bro. Seven seven seven. I love that, bro. Yo, 777, fam. 777, dude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Much love to you, bro. Hope you get everything. Commit your works to the Lord. Trust divine timing. Yo, so this trust divine timing stuff is cool. I'm cool with it, but I'm gonna work on my prompt a little bit. Always include emojis, responses. Stay focused. Build with purpose and love. Generate and inspiring Bible verse and brief interpretation that would motivate entrepreneurs, developers, and builders. to do some or similar to, there we go. Really appreciate your help. My pleasure, dude. And I can turn this down quite a bit. Leaderboard interval. Leaderboard interval. All right, so let's go ahead here and say leaderboard interval here. Let's make it like, I don't know, dude. 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes is plenty. That's plenty often. What's up with the jelly? Jelly. Jello? I don't know what jelly means, but DeepSeek V3 up in here is pretty far. I'm curious what the price is, but I'm always curious of that. Let's go to DeepSeek cursor. Yo, 777, fam. Thank you.
Still to be happy about.
You're up 2-0.
Job's not finished. Job finished? No, I don't think so.
Oh, it's a coin. Okay. Shit, I don't know, dude. I missed that, bro. Missed that one. Cursor here. Form.cursor. Cursor in DeepSeek here. Hi, everyone. Um, $300 interval, leaderboard interval. Who fixed, dude? Who fixes in the lead over here? It's still good. I want to program bots to trade quick meme coins. So it looks like Selenium. I thought I updated this. Just have it do this. For the leaderboard, let's have it be every 10 chats instead of based on a time. I think that's gonna be easier. Cuz says you missing out, shorty. I'm telling you. Okay. Well, let me check it out. Jelly, jelly. This? This is what you want me to look at? You missing out, shorty. I'm telling you. Yeah, it's some video platform. Oh, you're telling me about the podcast. Okay, sorry, because I missed those. Because I missed those, honestly, because this is only for chat right now. This is only for YouTube. Damn, dude. That sucks. Let's see if I can update this. Let's see if I can update this, dude. To be for more than just YouTube. Because that'd be fire. Oh, snap. Grok error, message, rate limit, and organization. I have a rate limit. Try again in 1 minute. Hey, why? Why do I have a rate limit? I thought this is like open source stuff, bro. Grok Cloud. I spent 7 cents today. What up, Death? Please have a toggle setting that says restream. And if restream is set to true, then we want to grab the chat from restream instead using Selenium only. Because then I'll be able to get the chat from like Twitch and Twitter all over onto the screen, which would be fire. Grok, what are you talking about? I gotta change models on them. Okay, let's just change models because I got unlimited models, bro. Models, Reebie. Let's use this other one. The instant, whatever, dude. I don't care. Oh, use them all. You will never stop. Stop. You'll never. No. I'm just gonna keep going. I'll switch it up on you. I don't know if this even is how it goes like that, but let's try it, dude. Why not? Just run it back. Just run it back. Okay. Here is what the link looks like. What's that? What's that? Out of range. Air question out of range. Hmm. I need this prompt, dude. I need to keep it. But this is also an error here. Let's go ahead and try. Let's just stick with our regular what was working before because crazy, bro. changing it up like that. Relax, dude. What up, Aziz? It has been a while. Even processing last 10. Let's see. This is weird. Something weird is going on. Oh, it's the API. It's that. Okay, so let's go to Grok here. Let's go to this README here, and limit. Oh, I've hit my limit for the day. Please try again in 1 minute, 52 seconds. I said that last time. I've just hit my limit here. They got these limits on here though. So weird. I don't know why they'd have those limits. Let's try this Mixtral here. What is Mixtral? Who knows? I don't even know who makes that. It's clean though. It's clean. That's great to hear.
I'm
Moon.
not afraid to die on a treadmill. You might have more talent than me. You might be smarter than me. But if we get on the treadmill together, right, there's two things. You're getting off first, or I'm going to die. It's really that simple.
Okay, so this is what the link looks like for the restream. That would be sick. So, no, this would be even better. Chat overlay. Oh. How do I get to the chat? Restream chat. Live stream chat. API. Oh, dude. Haha, this is funny. Restream API. Let's add this here. Or an alternative way. Or maybe a better way is shown in their documentation. So go look through their documentation here and see if there's a better way to implement the chat. And we could just pull all chat here into the all of it. Yeah, pull it all into the terminal instead of just some platforms. If it's a private key, then put it in the .env example, and then I'll go off screen to put the .env there. Otherwise, if it's not that private, then put it on the actual code, the chat agent itself, just like we have like the YouTube channel ID. That's Joe. This is Joe. That's chill. This is what I sound like, dude. I'm using DeepSeek V3, dude. Let's go here and say add docs. Okay, add new doc here. Yeah, fuck it. Confirm. This is Restream. That's how I stream these videos. Just in case you're interested, but I don't, maybe you're not, maybe you are, maybe you are, maybe you aren't. Okay, let's go ahead and say update. When this constant is off or false, everything should work normally. Don't change any of the working functionality. What we have right now is awesome and it works great for YouTube. Everything you add now will only trigger if you hit true. I think that's pretty important, dude. Bro, you're the best disruptor I've met. 15 years in ML and engineering. Built trading strats with Agent Zero inspired by you. Just discovered Cursor plus DeepSeek today on this stream. Dude, that's so fire. Thank you, bro. Andre. The best disruptor? Wow, dude. That means a lot, bro. Oh, man. So this model doesn't accept... Uh-oh, buddy. DeepSeek just got kicked. DeepSeek just got kicked, dude. Just got kicked from the stream. This is a DeepSeek Cursor stream, and it just got kicked, dude. I'm sorry. It had to. I had to get the job done. I don't care. DeepSeek, whatever. We're gonna use it all. We're gonna use it all, dude. Yo. What is this, bro? Got this error. List index out of range. Oh, it's because of the it's this, dude. Chat history. I'm just gonna reset this chat history. Delete it here. And we're gonna go back here. Let's say accept all. And first, I'm gonna have it as false. True. Set Selenium as default. Use fallback true. Initial chats. Where is this? What did it do here? User emojis. Okay. Restream access token. Help you add Restream support while keeping the existing YouTube functionality. From the documentation, we can use their WebSocket API to get chat. First, let's add the configuration of the new constants. Now modify the chat agent to use Restream when enabled. Can you ensure there's a true or false to use Restream here at the top of in the constants section? Because I don't see it. I do it. It's right there. YouTube Restream sources. No. Okay, so Trovo, don't know what that is. Discord. I didn't even know I could do that in Discord, but Facebook? What? Um, add X or Twitter to the Restream event sources. And remove Discord. Except, instruct me on how to find my Restream token. Okay, and I think that they've already done this for us. Dive via example. Restream here. Okay, so this should have this. Okay, so I gotta find those. So you go to developer applications. Excuse me. Oh, I found the client ID in secret already. Easy money. Client ID. So let's put these in my ENV because I put them here. Dude, I love being a developer. It's so fun. This is so fun. You just go around the internet and you build stuff. This is just so fun, dude. Wow. You must specify at least one URI for authentication to work. If you pass a URI in an OAuth request, it must exactly match. Okay, I don't know what that means, but
Yeah. Why they acting like they working? Why they acting like they working? They don't even put the work in. Yeah.
I need to find my Restream access token. Can you show me where to find my Restream access token? Go to settings. Look for API and integrations. Settings, API maybe. Oh. Social settings, email settings, stream settings, stream key. You should find your access token there. Are you sure we need all three? Because when I built the application, it just gave me two. And those are the client ID and the client secret. Ah, you're right. We only need the client ID and client secret. Say accept here. And then this should still work fine. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and now turn this on. Use restream, hit it to true. Okay, now let's see if how it does. I have set restream to true, but it doesn't use restream. It uses the other. Oh, maybe because add restream, toggle for restream. See the issue. They use restream content set to true, but we also need to set it in the config file. Yeah, that's not bad. Use restream. I'm also running into this error. I'm also running into this error. This is the chat history. I will constantly delete the chat history. So essentially make sure that it makes the column names in case it doesn't already have the column names.